Hello, welcome. Question 12, BECE 2024. A bus departed from Elmina at 9:15 p.m. and arrived in Accra at 2:45 a.m. the next day. How long did the journey take? So this journey is spanning from 2 days. So let's just say Monday to Tuesday. Then Monday to Tuesday, we have to know how many hours he spent on that Monday before entering the Tuesday. We know how many hours he spent on Tuesday, right? On Tuesday, he spent 2 hours 45 minutes because that is a morning. So, how many hours spent before? That is the midnight of Tuesday or midnight of Monday. So, we can say that if you want to find the time spent on the first day, is going to be the 12 midnight minus the time you started the journey. So 12 midnight minus the 9:15 p.m. So we know here we have zeros, we have to borrow from here. So you borrow one from here to make it 11. Then the one you are borrowing is in the hour section, move into a minute section, becomes 60. 1 hour is 60 minutes. So I'll be having 60 minutes. But in this 60 minutes, 0 is also smaller than this, so we need to borrow. So when you borrow 1 from here, you are left with what? 5. Then you come here to become what? 10. We are in the same column, so we maintain that. So that will give us 10 minus 5 as 5. 5 minus 1 as 4. Then 11 minus 9 will be 2, right? Meaning we spent 2 hours 45 minutes on that first day. Then the total journey is going to be the 45, how do you call it? The 2 hours 45 minutes plus the 2 hours 45 minutes is spent on the next day. Do you get it? So 2 hours, we are going to have that as 2:45 to 45. So 5 plus 5, in this case, will give us 10. So let's write a 0, carry 1. 1 plus 4 plus 4, that will be 9. So if I write a 9 here, I'll be dealing with 90 minutes. 90 minutes cannot be here. We need all here to be a minute, which will be in 60. So this is made up of 30 plus what? 60. And this 60 is a minute move into hour to become 1. So I'll move it from here as 60 to become 1 hour in the hour column, and I'll be left with only what? 30. So this 1 hour plus this will give you what? 5. So you're going to have 5 hours 30 minutes. That is the time spent. You'll be spending 5 hours, then 30 minutes. That's how long the journey is going to be. I'm sure you get the concept. All right. Number 13. A fair coin and a fair die are rolled together once. Find the probability of obtaining a tail and an odd number. A fair coin, how many possible sample space do we have? We have 2, a head and a tail. Then a die also has 6 possible what? Faces. So we're going to have all the 6 faces are going to have a chance to pick with what? The 2 faces of the coin. What I mean is that we can have our sample space for the coin. Let's put all in a table form. So we're having a head and a tail. Having 1, pick 1 and a head, 2 and a head, 3 and a head, So now that we are done, the regions here is showing a die, and these regions here is showing a tail. So we are only left with here as the possible sample space. So we can say that if we let U be the sample space, then we can say that number of U in this sample space will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 2 will give us what? 12. Then we can also let E or anything equals to a tail and odd number. If a tail and odd number, then number of a tail and odd number. Okay, first of all, let's indicate the sample space, the element in there. So let's look for the elements that we can find as a tail. All these columns are going to be represented by a tail. So all these ones are going to show. But on this tail, the number that will be added should be an odd number. And where are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. Those are going to be the odd numbers you are going to encounter. So if that is the case, you'll be having 1T, 3T, then 5T. Number of E will now become 1, 2, 3. That is 3. So now probability of obtaining E equals to number of E divided by number of sample space. And the E we have, there are 3. Then total sample space we have 12, right? So we can find out if there's a common factor between them, which will be 3. 3 goes into itself, 1 goes into 12 4 times. So now the probability of obtaining a tail and an odd number is going to be 1 out of 4. Knowing very well that we have 1, 2, 3 as an odd number. Then picking the tail attached to it, because this is going to be an even number and a tail. So that will not be in this set. I'm sure the concept is clear. Good. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.